Welcome everybody, and what is happening? So today we're going to be taking a look at how to change a laptop screen, and we're going to be using the Toshiba L70-A. So let's get clicking. If you're watching this video, you've at some point had this happen to you. No. You've probably wanted to swear, but I'm here to help you today. So we're going to replace your screen using two simple tools, a screwdriver and a pry tool. Now you can pick these up at any hardware store, or you can pick these up on Amazon. I'm going to put some links in the description below, so if you want to check them out and pick them up from Amazon, you can. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look for the two screw caps, one in either bottom corner of your screen. Those are just sticky little caps that can be removed. They're just covering the screws that we're going to need to remove. So we're going to use our pry tool and remove that cap. And then we can go ahead and use our screwdriver to take out those two screws. Next we're going to use our pry tool, and we're going to go ahead and pry off the outside of the casing of the screen. So if you go in from the inside like this, only do that if you know your screen is garbage and you're going to be throwing it out and you could end up damaging the screen. What you want to do is you want to come at it from the outside. And we're going to clip all the way around the edge here, and just watch these little clips. You don't want to put too much pressure on them and break them, so just peel back gently on them. Okay, so now that we've got the screen off, we're going to undo the top two screws that are holding the LCD in place. Okay, so once we've removed the screws for the top of the LCD screen, what we're going to do next is we're going to unplug your webcam from behind the screen. I did this gently because you don't want to break off the ribbon. Alright, so now that we've got our webcam disconnected, the next step is to go down the side of the LCD screen and undo the four screws, one at the top on either side and one at the bottom on either side, that hold the LCD screen to the frame. Now that we've got the LCD screen disconnected from the frame, we're going to lay it down and we're going to unplug the cable that connects it to the motherboard. So we'll just make sure that we do this very gently because we don't want to damage any of the pins that are on this cable. Alright, so now we've got the screen fully disconnected. So as we can see on the back here, this is the model number. Alright, so now that we have our laptop model number, we're going to hop on over to our web browser on our other computer and go to laptopscreen.com, and we're going to order up the correct model number here. So we're going to go to the search bar here, and we're going to type in our model number, and then we're going to hit search. And that will bring up our search for us here of the different screens. So we have two available for this one. As you can see, we've got a matte finish and a glossy finish for this particular one. Now the matte finish is out of stock at the moment. We can see here it's a little bit more money as well, but we're going to go with the glossy one in this case, and it looks like there is one available in Toronto, so we can just go ahead and hit add to cart. We're going to go ahead and hit checkout. We can see that it's going to be here. So now we play the waiting game. Excellent, so now that we got our new screen in, we can go ahead and reverse all those steps we took to remove the screen by placing the new one in. Just be careful when you're putting your connecting ribbons back together that you don't bend any of your pins, otherwise you could end up with some issues with the new screen as well. Once you've got it up and ready to go, now you're good to go again. Alright everybody, thanks for watching, and make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, give it a thumbs down if you don't, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and leave us a comment below on videos you'd like to see going forward. Thanks for watching everybody, and we'll see you in the next video.